Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to establish some context here. But very nice bounce today, especially when you consider where the price actually was at the lows of the day, and then where it ultimately closed. Very nice movement, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $64 mark. Why is 64 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 64. If the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where the price was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. Price movements are making progress in the upwards direction, and that progress point in this situation being defined as 64. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about the purple line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very followed 50-period moving average, which is currently valued just shy there of the $75 mark. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But all in all, no doubt about it, very, very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.